Alright, Violet, time for your walk. At the Punta Gorda, at the Punta Gorda Nature Park. Come on. So we're here for nature. Go this way, bud. Take this trail. See where this goes. Into the woods. Found a bridge back here. This is called fishing pier. So this is a place to fish off, I guess. Nature Park Pier. No, we didn't go here. It doesn't go anywhere. So you think there's alligators in here? All I'm worried about taking my puppy. Wow, right on the river. Recycling bin without the dog being scared of the trash bag. Boat dock here. Private residences. One of the canals of Punta Gorda. Seem to be all over the place. Across the bridge. To bush. Coming up to a lookout. Another trash can. This wetland restoration was founded by the City of Punta Gorda, the Peace River Basin Board of the Southwest Florida Water Management District, and the Charlotte Harbor National Estuary Program. Nice little picnic grounds with this park. Very little place. Just about 1.2 miles from home. So we have lots of things to go to do, lots of places to visit, lots of places for Miss Violet here to explore, because that's her favorite thing, exploring. Should have called her Columbus or Magellan or something.